Hello everybody, once again I am here today on a food adventure around the world from Stockholm with Cuba. And then I'd like to introduce you Brad. Hello Brad,
Hello.
Nice to see you. I'd like to say thank you to come here to join us. Could you explain a little about this dish please?
Yes, this is Ropa Vieja. It's a Cuban national dish, and it was from Spain from the beginning, but now it's a traditional Cuban dish, and is very popular in Cuba.
Ah, that's nice. It's mean old clothes. I don't know why, but it's like that.
We have many different ingredients here. We have beef, red, yellow, and green peppers, tomatoes, yellow onion, olive, paprika, cumin, rice, tomato sauce, red wine, and
Olive oil.
Olive oil, yes.
Perfect. And then now we need to prepare our mise en place. Mise en place means set up all the ingredients to start our dish. Okay, let's get started. But first, he needs to put this one. It's our
nice.
April. Join us on a food adventure around the world from Stockholm with Cuba.
Thank you.
Welcome. Need to be nice. I can do that.
Yes, now we have the principal ingredients here. Is the meat, the beef, and we put here in the pot. Here.
The pot.
Yeah, with
Okay.
water. I'm sorry, and we can put a little bit salt and pepper. Yeah.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah, just a little bit. And maybe it's good to take just some little slices, green peppers and maybe yellow, and it's only for the taste, you know, during the boiling. And we need maybe to have the beef 30 minutes, about 30 minutes.
Perfect. We need to boil this one. We need to cook this one there.
Yeah.
We have here 1 kilo beef and
green peppers, red peppers, and yellow onions, olives, garlic, and tomatoes, and tomato sauce here, red wine, and
olive oil.
Yeah. And now we boil the meat during 30 minutes, maybe a little bit more water. So now it's perfect.
Okay.
Yes.
30 or 40 minutes around.
30-40 minutes. We can try after. Yes, good.
Perfect.
Well, now is the meat done, and we need to
Shred the meat.
shred the beef. Yeah, here. The meat is shredded, and the next step now is to take the olive oil here, a little bit like this, and take all the other ingredients, the green pepper, the red, so we can take the yellow one here, beautiful, the onions, we can take this.
Now we need to salt the vegetables.
We take a little bit more salt here. It smells good.
Yes.
You can see the flavor. The taste after. Yeah. We can take the garlic. Perfect. And the tomatoes here. We can take just a little. You can do
The broth.
broth, yeah, because they have a good flavor. Yeah, perfect.
How long does it need to be there?
Maybe about 10 minutes. Now we can wait and take the beef.
Put the beef there.
Yeah, we can add the beef here, so take more flavor of the vegetables, and I think it's better. And just a little bit soy. Because it's a little bit more sweet. So
Okay.
it's good. And a little bit more
Broth.
broth. Perfect. Red wine. We can add a little bit tomato sauce. And add a little bit cumin. And now paprika. You know, I like the color because it's green, it's yellow, red, so it's really beautiful.
The smell is so good.
So good, yeah. Finally, we can garnish the Ropa Vieja with coriander. Look at this.
It's done.
It's done now. Yeah.
Perfect.
So, do you want to taste?
Oh, of course. This looks fantastic.
You can see. With we have rice here. It's very typical in Cuba. Rice and
Perfect.
Ropa
It's
Vieja.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It looks delicious. Let me taste this one.
Yeah. Maybe it's a little bit hot now. Do you like it?
Fantastic, delicious. Brad, I'd like to say thank you very much to you come here to accept my invitation and then to show us a little bit about the Cuban dish. I'm very happy. And then if you like this video, you can follow me and then you can leave some comment there. Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank
Again,
you.
see you next
Bye-bye.
time.